What's up, everybody? Car Pumptrician here, and today we're taking a look at the 1/2-inch Stubby impact wrench kit from Milwaukee. It's a very nice kit. Comes with everything. Comes with the battery, charger, and everything you need. But this is their Stubby 1/2-inch impact, so I'm excited to see what this thing can really do. And so let's get it opened up. Alright, so like I said, this is the 1/2-inch Stubby impact wrench kit. So this is a kit. Comes with a bag. There's your pamphlet that no one reads. But this comes with everything that you do need. So this has the charger. This has obviously the tool. And it comes with a battery. So this is going to come with a 5.0 high output. And this is also going to come with a 2.5 high output. Very nice for like lighter weight, but you still get that high output. And there it is. So you're about a little over 4 inches wide. Massive 1/2-inch anvil with a ring detent. Your neutral modes and everything. And then your speed settings. So a cool thing about the modes is, so if you're in neutral, so that's reverse, forward, but if you go into neutral and you double click the trigger, that's how you change in between modes. So that's going to be your nut brake setting. So that'll start off slow and then crank up. Or same thing with setting nuts or bolts. It'll start off slow and then crank up. So believe it or not, out of this very tiny M12 impact, Milwaukee's claiming up to 550 pounds of nut busting torque. It is way lighter than the other compacts that are out and 50% faster application speeds. So you're sending bolts in way faster, lighter, less fatigue, and up to 550 foot-pounds out of this is pretty impressive. So check them out. The kit coming with the 2 batteries is awesome. So you have your longer lasting, and then for the less fatigue, you can put the smaller battery in, get the job done quick. Front-facing LEDs are a nice touch. You can see what you're doing. So check them out. Make sure to like and subscribe this video to see more stuff like this, and I'll catch you guys next time.